Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Flying Nimbus in Anime Vanguard Mobile. Open the deck builder and add Flying Nimbus as your main Vanguard, then prioritize a reliable ride chain and trigger balance. Build around call effects and board control while avoiding overcommitment. During matches, focus on timing, sequence of attacks, and conserving key cards so Nimbus combos activate when they create maximum pressure and card advantage. Start by choosing a consistent ride line and include several grade 0 to ensure early stability for Flying Nimbus. Prioritize units that interact with call effects and provide boosts or shield as needed. Keep your trigger ratio steady to match your intended playstyle and avoid flooding your deck with situational cards. Test different mixes in casual matches and iterate until the deck reliably produces the combos and tempo you want during real matches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a sharp, long-lasting scent that makes every commute nicer and keeps your gear smelling fresh after intense gaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals and support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Play with patience and aim to establish board presence without emptying your hand, so Flying Nimbus can call support units when needed. Use your Vanguard attacks to force responses and create opportunities for Nimbus combos to hit hard. Keep an eye on opponent resources and adjust aggression. Sometimes holding a call is better than a weak push. Regular practice lets you predict triggers and manage risk, turning small advantages into decisive game swings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.